Hello, my name is Ducky. Welcome to English with Ducky. Today's lesson is asking how are you in English. Let's learn how to ask someone how they are. Why is this important? Asking how somebody is doing is a polite way to start a conversation. It shows you care about how someone feels. It's very common in daily English speaking, and it's an easy way to practice English conversations. Key phrases to ask how are you is how are you? Or how are you doing? Or how's it going? And informally, you can say, what's up? Some easy responses when asked, how are you, can be positive, like, I'm good. I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing well. Or, I'm great. Other responses can be neutral or negative, like, I'm okay. I'm tired. I'm not so good. Or, I'm not doing well. An example conversation would go, hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. The flow of conversation, you will always start with your greeting. You ask, how are you? And then, after they give an answer, they may return the question and ask how you are doing as well. Now, it's practice time. Repeat after me. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing? I'm good, and you? Great. And now it's time for the quiz. For question 1, what is the correct way to ask? Is it A, how are you? B, where are you from? Or C, what is your name? That's right. It's A. How are you? Question 2. What is the correct response to how are you? Is it A, I'm a student? B, I'm fine, thank you. Or C, I'm Canada. That's right. B, I'm fine, thank you. Question 3. What does what's up mean? Is it A, goodbye, B, I don't know, or C, an informal, how are you? Correct! It's C. How are you? Question 4. Choose a polite response. Is it A, I'm good, and you? B, I don't care. Or C, I'm busy now. Good job! It's A. So, you did really well on that quiz. In summary, how are you is a simple and polite question. You can answer with, I'm fine, I'm good, or I'm okay. Always be polite and return the question, and you. Remember to practice to make it easy to start conversations. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Please like and subscribe.